Welcome to TubeCore. Casual videos but hardcore knowledge. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, press that bell notification. Let's start the video.
Presenter review. Namaste friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore, and in this video we'll be talking about this software called Prezentar. So this is the Prezentar review, and right now we are on the sales page here, which is quite red, and then we have the demo video which is for 11 minutes long, I guess. So we'll play the demo video in a moment. Right now, coming back to the sales page, here we can see it says create amazing presentations, videos and ebooks in minutes, perfect for courses, tutorials, webinars, reviews, okay, meetings and more instantly, easy to use for all ages, the world's #1 presentation software, sending slides in a snap, watch Prezentar in action, and then you can see the demo video or whatever. Okay, so you will find the link below my YouTube video somewhere here to, it might be saying get this Prezentar in a copy. So you click on that link, you will be then on the sales page. Okay, you will be taken on the sales page. Price is 97, which might be debatable because some people might say it's too costly, and some people might say it's only a one-time cost and they have 30 days money back guarantee. So in case you're not happy, you can get the money back. Okay, and this is a ClickBank launch, so it's not on Varia Plus or JVZoo, it's from ClickBank. So obviously I guess you can go for the refund to these people or to ClickBank directly. Okay, so again, in my videos I would say, if you want something, then make sure you go and ask this 10 times to yourself and have the clarity in your head. Do you really need this or not? So before you buy, make sure you ask yourself, and if you want to buy, then only go and buy from a link. Otherwise, don't bother. Okay, anyway, so this thing is a very cool software. It has got nothing to do with make money online or whatever. Okay, so here you can see you will be creating some videos, right? And if you do not know, I am recording a video right now. Now the difference between the video which I am recording right now and the videos which you will be creating using this software is that my video is basic, very simple. Okay, I am only recording my laptop screen and I am using a broken headphone on my head and I'm talking. So my voice and my laptop screen, that's it, that's the video. Okay, and this video is still making money for me. All right, but if you want to create some animated, like with effects, and you might be a freelancer, who knows, right? You could be a freelancer or self-employed or some tech savvy person who has got some agency running. You might be running some digital agency, or you might be some animator, you might be a freelancer. Okay, and if you go and buy the software, you can easily go and make videos for your clients. Okay, so again, for freelancers, for digital marketing companies, it's a good software which you can go and try. And this is something has been launched on ClickBank recently, I guess. I'm not too sure, but I noticed this just like a couple of days ago. Okay, so yeah, I have no problem with this. And what is this? $50 off coupon Iron Man. Okay, let me see if I click on this, what happens? I don't know what happens. Wait, add these deals to your order, proceed to checkout. Let's see what happens. How much price is it gonna show after using this discount? You might be in luck, who knows, right? Let's see. What is the price? This price is actually in my currency right now, so I don't know if I have the option to change the currency or not, but I guess it's $50 only. Let me change the currency, I guess. Yeah, there you go. Okay, oh, it's 97, my bad. Okay, so you are not in the luck, right? Actually you'll be paying more than 97. You will be, depending which country you're from. Okay, yeah, if they charge you some GST or VAT, some tax, then you will be paying more than 97. So make sure if you have your tax number, I guess, or some coupon code. Maybe let's try Iron Man. I'm doing this for you only. Okay, let's see if I can save you some money or not. Yeah, that's thank me right now. Go and hit the like. Okay, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel. I just saved you how much? I saved you like 43 bucks. Okay, or maybe 42 bucks, right? So $97. But if you use the coupon code Iron Man, let me show you again. Here you go. You see Iron Man, you have to go and use the coupon code Iron Man on the checkout page, and then you can buy this only for 55 bucks. Just go and give me a like on this. Okay, let's get back here. So I guess you can go and check out everything on the sales page in your free time. Okay, And this is very colorful. I like it. And this is a cloud-based software, so nothing to install. Okay, you don't have to install anything on a computer. Simply you will get the email and the password, and then you can log in and you can just access the software. And I guess you have to be patient enough, okay, because when you try to render or export videos online on the cloud, it will not be as fast as you do it on your Windows video editor or on your iMovies on the Mac, okay. But still it will be good, and you will be getting these templates and everything. I'll show you that in the demo video. And if you go and buy this from a link below, make sure you do it, because right now when I'm recording the video right now, this coupon code is working, okay. I do not know when you will be watching this video, but later on this coupon code might not be available, right? So don't come and don't ask me why the coupon code isn't working. I'm talking about right now it's working. In the future, I don't know, okay. So we have some FAQs here. So does it work on PC and Mac? It's cloud based, I told you, so you can access on the browser. Do I need to install anything? No. Is this easy to use, and are tutorials available? So yes, you can copy and paste and you will get everything inside tutorials and everything, right? So you can read there. How many templates and slides do I get? You get instant access to 50 string templates spread across different popular niches, categories to use immediately. You will also get 10 different content slides per template, giving you a total of 500 slide designs, okay. How many presentations can I create? So you can create unlimited presentations using those 50 templates, okay. If you want more templates, I think they do have upsells. They have, I guess, 5 more upsells. So when you buy the front end, you will be taken through all those upsells, and then you can decide which one you need to which one you need to buy, okay. What file types does it export? So Prezentar exports your presentations to video and ebook landscape format, including an interactive HTML slide viewer for an extraordinary experience. More file types are looking to be added shortly. Okay, is there a monthly fee to use Prezentar? No, it's a one-time cost. Can I sell the presentations I create with Prezentar? Yes, a commercial agency license is included, which allows you to sell the presentations you create for your clients. We will never charge you for a royalty, okay. So all the videos which you will be creating for your clients using the software, you can charge as much money, and you can keep 100% of your revenue or of your total profit, okay. So you also get a free agency website to help you promote. Oh my god, that's cool, right? So you also get a whole brand new website which you can actually promote, or you can run ads on that website. And when when people come to your website, when they order your video services, I would say you can charge bare minimum, okay. I'm telling you the minimum for these videos, for these animated videos, you can charge at least $100, bare minimum $100 only for a 30 seconds video. And I am telling you with my experience, okay. You go on Fiverr.com, a good video creator will charge you $120 for 30 seconds marketing video in 3D or whatever, okay. So I'm telling you with this experience, clients, people are actually ready to pay you $100, $200 for good presentation videos, okay. So is there a money back guarantee? Yes, you can email them. This is their email, support@prezentar.com. So if you have any questions before buying, you can email them and ask a question. They'll get back to you. And once you're happy and satisfied, then go and buy, okay. And go and buy from a link below, okay. And I guess questions are done here, so it's time to go and watch the demo video, right? So let me try to play the video for you, and I will mute the sound. So this is the 3D animation, right? It's a 10-11 minutes long video, so don't expect me to play the video in its entirety. You will find all these videos on the sales page anyway, so you can click on the link below and check this out. Right now, let me see for how long I can play the video. Okay, so he's Superman. Right now you can see these are the kind of 3D 4D videos, these are the templates which you will be getting. And now ask yourself, okay, either you go and use these for your own videos, you might be doing some reviews, you might be doing some promotional, let's say you're some e-commerce, you're some, I don't know which business you are, maybe restaurant, maybe salon, maybe some spa, I don't know, right? So you can use it for your own marketing, material, create videos for your own business, and then maybe run Facebook ads on them, okay. Maybe let's say you create a 10 seconds, 30 seconds, marketing video, then you go and run some Facebook ads, Instagram ads on that, or maybe you can make a video, YouTube video, long videos, right? So you can see here, make back. So far let me fast forward, okay. I told you I can't run the whole video, and this is how you can create your own videos. You will get a training, okay. So I guess it's good for people who are enthusiastic, who are tech savvy, and you will definitely have to learn everything. Okay, it's not like everything will be on your own. You will have to add images, add templates, edit them, enter your business details, and then export it. And after that, if you want to have your maybe voiceover, so you have to go and learn everything. So I would not say it's totally friendly and you'll become rich, but yes, on ClickBank you would say you will find products in which you will get trainings, and after training you will learn how the software works. Okay, so again guys, you will not start making money with this as long you do not know how to go and find some clients and sell them your video creation services. Okay, so either you use it for your own business promotions, or you go and use it for your clients. If you're a freelancer or you're some digital marketing company, you can go and give these videos to your clients and you can charge them hundreds of dollars. Okay, so that was the demo video, and if you want to watch the demo video in its entirety full, okay, then you go below my YouTube video here and find the link of the sales page, click on that and you will be here. Then go and watch the demo video, and then you decide if you want to get this. You can find all the links below my video. Okay, so what is the name? Prezentar is, I think it's a good software. Okay, as long as it's not on Varia Plus, it's on ClickBank, so I would say yes, you can go and buy. And again, do not think that just by buying this you will start making money, because it has got nothing to do with making money. It has got only to do with making videos. Okay, now if you can make money with your videos or not, that's your problem, that's your lookout. Okay, and in any case, if you want to make money with simple video just like me by recording these YouTube videos, then you can check out this Traffic Jarvis link here and subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification, and I will see you shortly in my next review.